Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here you've got two destroyers and a submarine. Destroyer 1 is located in this position, so it's 10 across in the x direction, 2 across in the y direction. It's on the surface of the water, so the z direction will be 0. The z direction will be 0. So according to the sonar of Destroyer 1, the submarine is located somewhere along this line. So it's somewhere in this direction. According to Destroyer 2, the submarine is somewhere along this direction. So as far as Destroyer 1 is concerned, the submarine could be here, it 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 could be anywhere along this direction. According to Destroyer 2, the submarine according to Destroyer 2, the submarine could be here, could be here, could be here, could be here. It could be anywhere along. It could be anywhere along this direction. Okay, so work out the location of this submarine. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, set up the equation for this line, for line 1, and then set up the equation for line 2. So this is our line 2, this is our line 1. So the equation for line 1 would be our starting position. So the equation for line 1 is given by this: our starting position, and then plus some parameter, and then this will be our direction. So this is our direction here. This is our direction, and this is our direction. And then set up equation 2. So equation 2 would be starting position. So starting position, and then some parameter, and then our direction. So our direction. So this will be our direction. So our job is to find out T and S in such a way. Well, if you think about it, the location of the submarine must be the same for this one, for this line, and for this line, because it's in the same location. So the x coordinate for this line, so the x coordinate for this line must be the same as the x coordinate for the other line. So we are trying to find, and the y coordinate for line 1 must be the same as the y coordinate for line 2, and the z coordinate for line 1 must be the same as the z coordinate for line 2. So we are trying to find T and S in such a way that all three equations, so the x coordinate will be here, x coordinate here will be here, the y would be here, the y would be here. So we are trying to find T and S in such a way that all three equations are satisfied, because this is your x. The x here must be the same as the x coordinate here. The y coordinate must be the same as over here. The z must be the same. So we are searching for T and S in such a way that all three will be satisfied. So use whichever method you want. Somehow solve this so it's simultaneous equations. So it's just for me, I've taken this and take it away from this. So I'm getting this, take away this. So that would eliminate the s here. So that would then, this take away this would be blah blah blah. T equals 2 and s equals 5. So going back to here, T equals 2, S equals 5. So T equals 2, S equals 5. So what that means is this is our line 1 here. So T is for line 1. T is for line 1. T is for line 1. So T, hang on. So what that means is, let's say this is our, let's just say this here, our vector here is this one here, from here to here. So let's just say this vector here is represented by this, let's start again, a line here. Let's just say this vector here is represented by by this. So t equals 2 means 1, 2. Means 1, 2. That will then take us to here. And then s equals 5 means this. Hang on. Means this. Means you put a 5 into this s here. So your starting position, and then 5 lots of this. So what that means is your starting position is here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will take you to the submarine. So if you want to know the location, then either use this this equation or this equation. Remember, t equals 2, s equals 5. For me, I'm going to use. You could use this or you could use this. For me, I'm just going to use this. So the x coordinate of the submarine will be 10 plus 10. So that will be 20. The y coordinate will be, well, put 2 into here. So that will be 2 plus 16. That will be 18. And then the z coordinate will be put a 2 into here. So it will be negative 20. Negative 20. So here is the precise location of the submarine. Okay.